We got turkeys out there. 10 of them singing in the rain. Let me get a better shot here. There we go. See 'em? Turkeys singing in the rain. Yeah, they're all over the place. A couple of weeks ago, there was 20 of them back there in the backyard. This is the front of the acreage. That's the front of the driveway there. Yeah, we haven't done anything to scare them. They see us, but they don't haul butt because they haven't been under threat yet. But if we get hungry, yes sir, I'll learn how to get them feathers off. Alright, that's it.